In this video I'm going to show you how to backup and restore your games on Steam. So what you want to do, sometimes it's useful to backup your game files to restore it on a later moment. Like if you are modding on GTA or other games, then it's nice to use the original files to place them back. So what we want to do is basically go to Steam, and once you have opened Steam, then you can right click on the game you want to backup. So click on Properties. After that we will go to Installed Files. Make sure your game is always updated before you do this, and always do this before you start modding or changing things in the file folders. So the next step is click on Backup Game Files. Once you are doing this, you can select a directory to create the backup files. Let's say I will use the desktop. So I will create a folder on desktop and select. Now I have created a directory to create the backup files. Once you have done this, create a backup, and now it's creating a backup of this game. And this is how you backup your game.